Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to download or install that Shopify app on your Android device. And as you know that Shopify is one of the e-commerce platform that allows users to create, customize and manage their online stores. And also it will provide the different types of tools for the product listing, inventory and management, and also it will provide the payment process and more. So in this video I will guide you step by step process how you can install that application on your Android device. So let's get start to the video. First of all, open your Play Store on your mobile device. If you are the iPhone user, then you can go on App Store. In that you can install that application. So I am showing for that Android, so I am showing this. Now search for that Shopify, and now you can see here install option, tap on that. It will take a moment to install that. So in this way you can download that Shopify app on your Android device. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.